how to focus on your English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic: how to focus on your English. Many people want to learn English. They watch videos every day. They download learning apps. They make timetables. They feel motivated for some days, but after a short time, they lose focus. Some students practice for only 2 or 3 days and then stop. Then they start thinking, English is too difficult. I can never become fluent. I always forget everything. If you also feel this way, then this video is for you. Today, I will share simple and practical methods that can help you focus on English and improve step by step without stress. So watch till the end. Part 1. Understand the real problem. First of all, you must understand why people lose focus while learning English. The biggest reason is People think English is only about grammar rules, difficult vocabulary, and perfect pronunciation. But that is not true. English is a language, and language is learned through daily practice. Think about small children. They learn speaking by listening and repeating. They make many mistakes, but slowly they improve. The same thing happens while learning English. You do not need perfection in the beginning. You only need consistency. Small daily improvement is enough. Even 30 minutes of focused practice every day can create huge improvement after some months. Part 2. Stop fearing mistakes. Most students are afraid of speaking English. Why? Because they think people will laugh at them. This fear destroys confidence. Listen carefully. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Nobody starts perfectly. Every successful learner made mistakes before improving. Mistakes are normal. In fact, mistakes help you learn faster. If you never speak because of fear, your confidence will never grow. So, stop waiting for perfect English. Speak simple English. Speak broken English if necessary, but speak every day. Confidence comes from practice. Part 3. Remove distractions. Now let us talk about one of the biggest enemies of focus: mobile phone distraction. You sit for English practice. Then you open social media for just 2 minutes. After that, one reel becomes 20 reels, and your study time disappears. This habit wastes energy and destroys concentration. If you really want to improve your English, you must control distractions. During practice time, turn off notifications. Keep your phone silent. Stay away from unnecessary apps. Even 20 minutes of deep focus is powerful. Remember this: focused learning always gives. Small daily improvement can completely change your confidence and communication skills. Believe in yourself. Your English can improve. Your confidence can improve. Your future can improve. Just do not stop practicing. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep improving. And I will see you in the next video.